everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a demo of the Witch's Puck from out of the Yo Witchin box set that was part of the 2019 Halloween collection from Bird Bath & Body. Now unfortunately, I actually have literally no idea what these bath bombs were scented in. However, I did kind of pick up on like a slight sweet sort of, I don't know. There was something there. It smelled really nice for sure, but I couldn't really pick out any specific scent notes per se. But regardless, these bath bombs were not actually bath bombs that I specifically ordered. So the first one that I got, it was a freebie in an order, and then the second one that I got came in one of the seconds boxes. So basically like the bath bombs that either weren't labeled or had gone soft or weren't painted, etc, etc. Every now and then they will have the boxes available for $20 each. But back to the bath bomb. So both of these bath bombs actually, I was gonna say fizzed, but they didn't really fizz, they more foamed. So they both actually foamed really, really slowly. And after a little while, they started releasing the really cool colors that were actually hidden on the inside, which I thought was a really nice touch. I thought they looked really, really cool in the water, and I'm really glad that I used two of these bath bombs. I wasn't originally going to use both, but I figured that I have the two and they're the exact same bath bomb, so I thought, you know what, may as well have a bit of a luxurious bath and throw them both in. The watercolor at first I thought was going to be like a nice light blue color. However, as you'll see towards the end of the video, it actually turned out to be a really beautiful dark blue color. And just by the way, if you didn't know already, I am actually a brand rep for this company, which means that if you go on over to the Bird Bath & Body website, using my code SPIRITUAL15 will actually get you 15% off your orders. Once again guys, I hope that you are enjoying the spooky Halloween demos that I've been doing, and I hope that you're looking forward to the rest of them that I will be putting up between now and Halloween. So anyway guys, I hope that you're enjoying my content just in general, and if you are, please do remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.